Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of growing your own food but weren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. Today's video is all about taking you on a journey from seeds to supper. Whether you've got a small backyard, a patio, or even just a few containers, you can grow fresh vegetables and herbs at home, and I'll show you exactly how to begin. By the end of this video, you'll know the steps to start your very first garden and enjoy the harvest at your own dinner table. And if you'd like even more guidance, check out www.mydagrifarm.com, your trusted resource for simple, sustainable and homegrown living. Why start a backyard garden? Let's start with why growing your own food means knowing exactly where it comes from, saving money at the store and reconnecting with nature. Plus, it's healthier, fresher, and honestly more fun than buying produce wrapped in plastic. For beginners, gardening also teaches patience, responsibility, and the joy of creating something from scratch. And here's the good news: you don't need to be an expert to get results. Step 1. Choosing the right spot. The first step is finding your garden's home. Most vegetables need about 6 hours of sunlight daily. Look around your backyard or balcony for the sunniest spots. If you're short on space, don't worry, containers, raised beds, or even vertical planters can still provide great harvests. The key is light, easy access to water, and soil that drains well. Step 2. Preparing the soil. Healthy soil equals healthy plants. If you're planting in the ground, mix in compost to enrich the soil and improve its structure. If you're using containers, choose a high-quality potting mix. Think of soil as your plant's diet. It needs nutrients, air, and moisture balance to thrive. The better you prepare your soil now, the easier the rest of the journey will be. 3. Choosing beginner-friendly crops. When you're just starting, go for easy wins. Lettuce, spinach, and kale grow quickly and can be harvested leaf by leaf. Radishes and carrots are simple root crops that almost take care of themselves. Tomatoes and peppers are classic garden favorites that reward you with plenty of fruit. And don't forget herbs like basil, parsley, and mint. They're almost foolproof and bring fresh flavor to your meals. 4. Planting seeds and seedlings. Planting is where the magic begins. Follow the instructions on your seed packet. Depth, spacing, and timing matter more than you think. If you'd like faster results, you can buy seedlings from a nursery and transplant them into your garden. Either way, planting is the first step toward your harvest. Remember, gardening is forgiving. Even if a few seeds don't sprout, others will, and you'll learn as you go. 5. Watering and care. Consistency is everything. Most plants prefer steady moisture, so water regularly but don't drown them. Mulch can help retain water and keep weeds under control. As your plants grow, pay attention to their leaves. They'll tell you if they're thirsty, too crowded, or struggling. A little daily care goes a long way toward success. Step 6. Dealing with pests naturally. Pests are part of gardening, but they don't have to ruin your harvest. Encourage helpful insects like ladybugs. Use natural sprays like neem oil. And keep your garden clean. Sometimes the best solution is simply hand-picking pests off your plants. Stay observant and you'll stay ahead. Step 7. Harvesting your food. Now for the most rewarding step: harvest. Pick lettuce and spinach leaves regularly to keep the plants producing. Tomatoes should be harvested when they're fully colored and slightly soft. Carrots and radishes are ready when their tops peek through the soil. The key is not to wait too long. Freshly picked vegetables taste the best. If you'd like more beginner-friendly tips and inspiration, visit www.mydagrifarm.com. It's filled with resources to help you grow your own food no matter your space or experience level. Cooking and enjoying your harvest. The final step is turning your garden bounty into meals. There's nothing like chopping fresh basil from your pot, tossing just picked lettuce into a salad, or roasting carrots you pulled from the ground minutes ago. This is the heart of seeds to supper, the satisfaction of eating what you grew yourself. Here's the truth: anyone can garden. You don't need a green thumb, a huge yard, or expensive equipment. You just need the willingness to start small, learn as you go, and care for your plants. The harvest will reward you not only with food but with joy, peace, and a deeper connection to nature. Thanks for watching. I hope this video inspires you to plant that first seed and begin your gardening journey today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more backyard farming tips, and share it with a friend who's ready to start their own garden. Remember, every big harvest begins with a single seed. Until next time, happy planting and happy harvesting.